Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose Edit. If you're new to this channel, thank you. I'm so happy for having you. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment to my videos, and for my subscribers, I'm so delighted to have you guys here. Thank you for always standing by me, for subscribing, and for always liking my video. So today's video is about the forward part of the ship. You can also call it the forecastle. So today I'll be telling you what the forecastle is all about, what you can see there, what is being done there. So watch this video to the end to know what the forecastle is all about. Thank you. So the forward part of the ship, or the forecastle, is a part of the ship that is used for anchoring operation. Like if the ship is to be in a particular position and the anchor needs to be dropped, you can do this operation of dropping anchor at the forward part of the ship. Mooring is also carried out at the forward part of the ship to secure major part of the ship during mooring operation. And I will also like to put that checking and maintaining of navigational lights is also done on the forward part of the ship, on the foremast. Now we know what is being done at the forecastle. I'll go ahead to tell you some of the things you can see that helps the operations that I just mentioned to be carried out easily. We have windlass for both mooring and anchoring operation. Anchor chain, which is released to the seabed to hold the ship to a particular position. Foremast, which hold the night navigational lights and day signals. Ropes and tails for mooring operation. See some of the mooring ropes on the windlass, and some is being coiled just on the deck of the ship. Also hydraulic motor, the driving power for the windlass. From the forward part of the ship, you can see the view of the other part of the ship and the accommodation. Bellets, air and sounding pipes, hand railings, head ventilations, etc. The other things you can see at the forecastle. So apart from all the things I just mentioned being found at the forecastle, we also have the bosun store at the forecastle. The bosun store is just a space. It's just like underground building. The forecastle forward part is at the top, and you walked in, you see the bosun store. So in this bosun store is where you can find necessary equipment for deck operation. We also have spare equipment, spare ropes. You can see air pipes, hoses in this bosun store. We have deck flange, chain locker, where the anchor is being stored. If it's not released to the sea, it's being stored at that chain locker. And mind you, don't forget that the fore peak tank is also located at the forward castle. We have some panels. So in this bosun store, we have safety locker for during emergency. Our firemen's outfits is also in those safety lockers. So bosun store, we also have the paint store. Inside the bosun store, we have the paint store. Our ship is a well-maintained ship, so we do some of the maintenance job apart from going for dry dock. Apart from going to dry dock, we do some of the maintenance also. We have a lot of paints to use during maintenance. So this is a paint store. We have different colors of paints here in the paint store. If you look closely, we have fire extinguisher in this bosun store. While we have fire extinguisher, in case of fire, these are a tanker vessel. It carries product, is a product tanker. So a fire can happen anywhere. So you have your extinguisher at any time to, if you can fight the fire, you can use your fire extinguisher. And mind you, this bosun store is an enclosed space. So whenever you are entering, you need to always alert people around you or inform the officer on duty. I have a portable radio for easy communication. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.